in the morning on April 28th. And my brother is snoring up a storm. You have to hear this. Hold on. I'm going to walk towards this freaking wild beast right now because he's making these crazy ass noises. I hope you're ready for it because this is, from this point forward, all David. All right, here we go. Alright, it's me again. Can you believe how freaking crazy loud he is? I mean, I heard it from my bathroom, and I'm all the way across the house. Ready? Here he is. Here he is still. Not again, but still. That is horrible. If I was trying to sleep, I would smack the shit out of him. And I'm not even kidding. Good night, people.